हमें गर्व है कि भारत और फ्रांस मिलकर माउंट एवरेस्ट की ऊंचाइयों तक उड़ान भरने वाला विश्व का एकमात्र हेलीकॉप्टर भारत में बनाएंगे।
Do you know that world's only helicopter which made highest altitude landing at the heights of Mount Everest, it will be made in India in collaboration with France. Yes, I'm talking about Airbus H125, the only helicopter in history which have landed on Mount Everest in 2005. And the record still stands. Recently, our Prime Minister and French President Emmanuel Macron, they have virtually inaugurated the final assembly line of Airbus H125 light utility helicopter in Karnataka. So defense cooperation with France has been expanded. Delivery of first made in India H125 is expected in early 2027. From history, if we see, the French origin defense equipments जैसे कि combat aircraft, helicopters, submarines, missile systems, they have always filled critical gaps in India's military capability. 1953 की बात करें तो उस समय फ्रांस Dassault Aviation it began supplying India with around 100 MD450 Ouragan Hurricane fighter bombers, जिनको इंडियन एयरफोर्स ने तूफानी नाम दिया था. Another was Dassault Mystere 4, which is a single-seat fighter bomber that played a crucial role in 1965 Indo-Pak War because it has destroyed enemy tanks at that time. Thereafter, in 1980s, Indian Air Force inducted the British-French supersonic jet Jaguars, of which around 100 we still operate. 1980s से Indian Air Force has been operating the French-designed Mirage 2000H. Vajra, the multi-role fighter, और उसका upgraded version, it still remains a critical asset in the Indian Air Force because the aircraft played a major role in 1999 Kargil War during Operation Safed Sagar and in 2019 Balakot airstrike. This has been succeeded by 36 Rafales from France, and last April we also concluded another agreement with France for 26 Rafale Marine variants for the Indian Navy. If we talk about helicopters like Chetak, Cheetah, they also have French connection and they've always been in India's military aviation ecosystem. Scorpene, Kalvari class submarines which are being operated by India, they are also based on French design and technology. So all this shows that the partnership has continuity, it has technology transfer and fewer political constraints than many of India's other material supply states. So with Airbus H125, we are heading towards a next chapter in strategic collaboration with France.